Hi guys, it's Tonya M and welcome back to my channel. I have another wig review. I'm late to the party, but this is Outre Maximina. It's part of their 360 lace line. This is a 13 by 6 unit with lace in the back to give a 360 effects. It has the normal combs and the adjustable straps along with an extra band for security. Love this color. It's Havana brown. I went ahead and plucked her off camera to my liking. I didn't do much plucking. I just did a little bit in the front to match my hairline. And now I'm just going to go ahead and cut off the ear tabs and cut the lace from around the back of the wig to better have the lace lay flush to my forehead so that it could melt better. So I'm actually going to layer this wig. After I put it on, it just felt so drab and blah and just hanging off my head. So I want to give it some layers to some face framing layers. And just to like take some of the weight off, it is a heavy wig. I want to take some of the weight off and just have the layers fall in my face. So what I'm doing now is just taking the hair that's more so like in the bang area. I'm pulling it straight up as far as I can. And I'm cutting towards the, like going back. So not to the side, but straight forward, straight at the top going back. Okay guys, so when you're cutting your hair, you want to always cut in the angle or the direction that the hair is growing. So now the hair on the side, I'm pulling the hair to the side and cutting at an angle. This will help to create the layers better. I'm not a professional, so I'm not like, I don't know the specifics of the details, but I'm just explaining it the best way I can. So I'm just like I said, the hair on the side, I'm cutting down, like just in the direction that the hair grows. So the hair grows on the top, you want to pull the hair up and cut. That if the hair grows on the side, you want to pull the hair side to the side and cut. So I'm just going to keep doing that until I feel like it's layered enough and that it looks like it's, you know, the look that I'm going for, the feathered look. And that it's framing my face. I'm also like checking for any long hairs that just are there, just, you know, feels like I feel like it needs to be cut a little bit more. And I'm going to go ahead and do that on the other side too, so it's not hanging so long. Again, I'm pulling it to the side and cutting down at an angle. And like I said, I'm going to do that until I feel like I've created enough layers or it's layered enough and it fits my face. Honestly, have you gotten a wig and it just looks so wiggy? You have to customize it to your face shape. If you don't do that, it's just going to look real wiggy. You want to look like you went to the salon, just like a human hair wig. If you take a human hair wig to the salon and ask a stylist to put it on, she's going to also layer it or cut it to make it look like it's growing from your scalp and that it fits your face shape. All right, so I think that's where I stopped. I probably did one more cut off camera, and now I'm just going to lay the lace. Look how that just melts into the skin, guys. Love the lace on the synthetic wigs. This is the Eben, I think it's called the holding gel. So it's lace holding gel. I do prefer this over this spray, although I still use a spray on my wigs I just want to throw on and go, like my T-part wigs. But when I'm doing my wigs that I'm trying to wear for a minute or have a good melt, I use the holding spray if I don't want to keep it on that long. Not the holding spray, I'm sorry, the holding gel if I don't want to keep it on that long, and then regular glue if I want to keep it on longer. And then after you apply it and blow dry it a little bit, you want to add your lace melting band. I am going to go back over it once I take the melting band off with the lace melting spray to secure it even better. I'm just going to blow dry that and then again put my band back on and take it off. After it dries, you want to cut it off. I'm just using a razor, like a eyebrow razor, to cut the lace off. When the ones get old and dull, you can use them for this. And then this is the Eben lace melting spray. This is so good. You will never know you even had lace on your forehead once you apply this. Okay, look at that. It just melts right into the skin. I'm going to put that band back on for a little bit so the lace is secured. And I'm going to add a little bit of foundation to my lace. I'm just using the foundation brush. I didn't even dip back in the foundation. Now, of course, you got to do your baby hairs. You don't have to, but I love baby hairs. And it helps me to curl them before I lay them because then the hair, it kind of knows which direction to go into. So you're not fighting with the synthetic fibers to lay where you need them to lay. So this is going to curl up automatically once I put the gel in. I'm just using the Got To Be holding gel in the black tube. I always use that to lay my edges because it stays on. Your edges will not move, honey child. Your edges will not move with this. And I do cut it, but as you go, you want to trim it a little bit more. You don't want your baby hair so long where it's covering your eyebrows, girls. You know, especially if you got a low hairline and your wig's already gonna have to come down lower, it's gonna end up touching your eyebrows. So if you want to do edges, make sure you cut them short enough so they're not touching your eyebrows. Okay guys, I'm back, and thank you for watching that little tutorial that I provided for you as far as how to frame the wig to your face. Guys, these wigs are not they don't come customized. So in order to make them like fit you really got to like layer them and like plug them to match your natural hairline, and then frame them to match your natural face. So that's what I did, and that's why I kind of showed you guys. So this wig already came like this, but the layers weren't the same as the model because, like I said, like me and the model have different height, different face shape, all of that. So so what you saw me doing was just like framing the layers to my face. Yeah, so this wig, let me just go into the specs of it. It is a 100% human hair blend, which means that it is blended with natural human hair. So it is going to be more soft, and it really is. It's going to be less tangly. It's going to look and feel more natural. She's a 13x6 unit. 360 frontal lace wig. We'll get into that in a bit. And let's see, I have in the color Havana Brown. This color is so gorgeous. Anytime I can get Havana Brown, guys, I get it because this color is so gorgeous. She does come with transparent lace. So transparent lace, it says transparent lace HD. HD and transparent lace are two different things, okay? I would definitely say it's more transparent lace than HD. It says no plucking required, which you really don't need to pluck it, but hey, you know how I do. I like to match my natural hairline, so I did go in and do a little extra plucking. And she does come in some other nice colors. There you go. So as far as the 360 lace, so when this wig first came out, it was mad expensive. They upped the price because it was a 360 lace. This is not a true 360 lace, guys. There have been wigs already in the past that came out that have the lace all the way around. However, being that this is a synthetic wig and being that this is not customized, the 360 lace is it's irrelevant. So a true 360 lace, you're going to want to customize it to your natural head circumference. This is done to the average head circumference. So me having a smaller head than the average person is no point. So I've only bought two from the 360 frontal lace wig line from Outre. And that's just because I love the styles. And this is the one. This is Maximina. I love her. She is 22 inch. It is a true 22 inch. And like I said, the color is gorgeous. This is something that I definitely could keep and reuse and revamp and recurl. This is what the back looks like. I don't know if you can see. This is what the back looks like. Very cute. Shed more than normal. Like I said, she's not really small head friendly. She is average to big head friendly. I don't really have anything else much to say. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And also my business page, Love and Love and Beauty, where I sell 100% real mink lashes, like the pair I'm wearing now. All the links will be in the description box. The details for the wig will be in the description box too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Stay blessed.